Hi, I'm Darley Newman, and we are here in Quebec having an eco-friendly adventure. We're out foraging for mushrooms on a gourmet hike.
In Saint-Côme, Lanaudière.
We're stand-up paddleboarding at a Canadian national park. We're flying above the fall foliage in a seaplane.
More than 500,000 lakes, so it's amazing. Only in Quebec.
We're learning about Acadian culture and history in Quebec at a sustainable distillery.
Bienvenue à la Distillerie Grand Dérangement.
A lot of history on the land here in this part of Quebec.
Yeah, for us to keep the story, it's very important.
It's very pedestrian-friendly around here.
It's the perfect strolling city. Park your car, don't touch it for the rest of the weekend, and you'll be good.
And we're going bear watching. We're mountain biking to beautiful locations like this.
We are showing you ways to get off the beaten path in an eco-friendly and sustainable way on this episode of Travels with Darley in Quebec.